Alright, I got here a 2010 Honda CRV. Customer complaint is when you drive it, the door locks cycle. I'm not exactly sure. Let's see. Do they work first? Let me lower the fan. Alright, so they work fine. I think he said only when you drive it. Let me just plug in the scan tool. See if there's any codes. Not sure if I've ever seen this before. Right, USA. I'm gonna drive it while this is probably take some time. So let's see. I don't know if it's gonna do it in reverse. He said drive. Let me turn around. He said you just gotta go around the block. He said you should not have to go far. Alright, let's see. Ah, there you go. Okay, so they locked like they're supposed to lock. See, they locked by themselves, but I think that's normal. I don't feel it cycling. I did hear a click. It was like it was locking again, even though it was locked. Let's pull over. Okay, now they unlock. This one unlocked. That should lock. It locked. Okay. Alright, he said it was happening much more often. It was just clicking. It could be it's intermittently clicking, but I think the only thing I can think of is it doesn't know. It probably doesn't know it's in lock. And that's why it's trying to relock, if I had to guess. I only heard it once, like while I was driving. Oh, you just heard it again. The lock's clicked. Huh. I don't know what is banging around in the back. Alright, I did hear it a few times where it just randomly just clicked. As if like the door's locking itself. There you go. It's doing it again right now. I didn't touch anything. Weird. I'm gonna look at live data. See if I see anything. Like maybe it's not registering that the door's unlocked. So it just keeps trying to lock it again. Spare tires loose. Oh, that's what it is. It's windshield washer fluid container. Alright, let's pull back in. Let's go. My spot was taken. Just pull up right there. Okay, let's see. Any codes? No codes. But we're gonna go straight into the BCM. See, right now the door unlocks automatically, and then when I shift into drive, when I actually start driving, it's supposed to lock. So I think maybe it doesn't see that it's in lock. Door locks. Live data. Type in driver. Driver's door lock knob switch lock and unlock. Let me just get a passenger so we know to compare it to. Here, knob switch, unlock. Passenger's door lock knob switch. How much of it's the same thing? Alright, so I got driver's door lock knob switch is on, is lock, is off. And driver's door lock knob switch unlock is on. So let me unlock all the doors. Good. Now this switch unlock went to on. And lock is on off. But I don't know if this is the right thing because it doesn't say knob in it. Now we're going to go to lock. This one never goes to lock. I would assume the driver's door lock knob switch should go to lock. Should go to on. And it doesn't. Let me find the knob switch for the other one. It doesn't look like it has the data pin on the other ones. But I'm convinced that this has to be showing on, and it's not recognizing that it's on. So it just keeps cycling it again as we drive. How can I prove this? There's got to be a common issue. Let me look on Identifix. All right, let me see. I'm just gonna type in locks. Fuse 23, intermittent tailgate. Oh, here we go. At times, the power door locks cycle and keep trying to lock while driving. Exactly what we have. Monitor the driver door lock knob switch. If the multiplex control unit thinks the switch did not indicate lock, it'll keep trying to lock the doors until it sees ground in the light green wire. Exactly like I thought. All right. Let's see what the silver bullets say. Driver's door lock actuator. I mean, I guess it could also be a ripped door in the door flex now. But maybe then it would have a lot code for it. Let me go see. He said the light green wire. Let's go look at a diagram for this. Here's the knob switch. Yeah, so it has to go on this knob switch. It's built into the actuator itself. So is it a bad actuator or is it a broken wire? Where's it going to? It's going to the BCM. The whatever on the dash fuse relay box. Alright, so it could actually just be a ripped wire in here. Just gonna give a little tug. Just gonna give a little tug on these wires. Just because that's easier than pulling off the door panel. But we're gonna go check right now. We'll go pop the door panel off and we'll see if we're getting ground. Okay. Well, this was clearly off before. Alright, so I see the light green wire. And let me get a back probe. Alright, I'm going to use a scope because I don't know what the signal is supposed to be. I don't know if it's actual ground or because it's both coming from the fuse box. Ground this right here. Okay. There we go. We have power on this. And now so we have ground now. Here, let's unlock. Alright. Power, 12 volts. It's not going to let me lock it because the door's open. So here, I'll push this, and then we'll push that knob, and then yeah, it's not ground. Well, actually it's not ground, it's not locking. Lock, and it pops back up. See, now it's grounded. Let's see, does it show? Does it ever go to lock? Yeah, driver door lock switch is on. I never did that before. When I held this down, it jumped up by itself. Alright, right now it's locked and it shows it on. That is crazy. So it's just an intermittently bad switch. But it had something to do with opening and closing the door also. Let's get it to lock. Okay, now it says lock. Now, all I'm doing is opening the door. Oh, that's why, because I'm opening the door, so it's going to unlock it. It makes sense. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't realize. It mixes it up, because how could you have it the door open with the car locked? That's why. But yeah, right now it's locked and it still has voltage on it, 9 volts. So this is just a bad switch. Let me just unplug it, make sure there's no corrosion in it. Nope, everything looks good. Well, I'm calling the door lock actuator. Alright, sometimes silver bullets could help you. No, I'm kidding. Just actually do the testing and then you'll be fine. Alright, thanks for watching. Alright, we're in the car. See all the locks, no noise. Change the actuator.